Hey guys, welcome back to the Ron Williams YouTube channel. Natural Mr. World, Natural Mr. Universe, Natural Mr. Olympia, and Natural Bodybuilder of the Decade. Today is exciting for me, and I hope it's exciting for you because of what we have to share with you today on this particular session. We have Levi McPherson with us today, and Levi, you never get a chance to see him, but he's the brains behind the scene. And he's the guy who says, Ron, we've got to get 2 videos this week. When are you available? Because my schedule is so hectic and so busy, he makes sure that it gets done. Now, this guy, when it comes to marketing, when it comes to developing a YouTube channel, he's the guy. When we first started, this area was so saturated, they said it was hard to impossible to ever get any traction or build a YouTube channel. But Levi said, no, I think we can do it. He said, with my expertise and all that I know about social media, I'm sure we can build a YouTube channel. So me, not wanting to be stuck behind the camera and having to do it every single week, I was a little apprehensive. But I said, Levi, I trust you, and I believe we can do this if you say we can. So Levi, being behind the scenes, helped us build this YouTube channel. And with you guys and Levi, I can't, he's got something he's gonna present to me from YouTube, but we couldn't have done this without you guys. If I didn't have Levi to be on this side of it and you guys on that side of it, there's no way we could have did this. So this was a collaborative effort between the 3 of us. And I want to thank you once again for appreciating me and knowing how much I love you guys and knowing that I'm here only for your betterment. And this proves it. So we're going to hear from Levi for a second, and I can't wait to open this.
So this is an award that we got in the mail. This is from YouTube, as it says on the cover, and it's also, of course, from all of our subscribers. So I'm gonna let you open it. It's a gift.
Now, one thing, it's like awards I'm really used to receiving, and this one is pretty special because people didn't think we could do it. It's like so awesome to be able to do something that, wow, that nobody thought you could do. Look, guys, it says, Ron Williams, congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers. You know what? It's almost like an emotional time for me, but I accept this from YouTube for you, for Levi, as well as myself and my wife. Thank you so much. I'm gonna end right there. God bless you guys. Appreciate you. Give us a thumbs up.
What you want?